Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see how can we bring the data sets from the other data sources into the Power BI. So in this, we are going to see how can we bring the data sets from Google Sheets into the Power BI. So let's say I'm in my Google Sheets over here. So I just increase the window over here. Now I'm working with this global superstore data set sheet and I'm having few rows of it. So I've just made that data set small in order to reload it quickly, and I want to import this in the Power BI. So for that, I can go in the file option. Over here, I have got this share option. And over here, I have got two options. The first one is share with others, and the next one is publish to web. So I will click on publish to web option. And over here, it would ask me that what do you want to publish, the entire document, or do you want to only publish the one sheet over here? So I will just select sheet one, and then it would ask me how do you want to publish it, as web page or as comma separated values, which is a CSV file, tab separated values or PDF document. So I will select comma separated values over here. The next option is click on publish, and it would ask you that are you sure do you want to publish this document? I will click on OK, and on the bottom part I can find the settings for this published content. So basically I can select any sheet or the entire document and I can click on stop publishing and it would stop publishing it online. Also it has got another option which is automatically republish when changes are made. So basically whenever you are making any changes to this data set and if you refresh in your Power BI desktop, all the new changes would be reflecting over there. So what I need to do now is I need to copy this link and I need to go in the my Power BI desktop. Over here, I can click on get data and I can select the web option. After you have selected web option, you have to put in the URL and click on OK. Then it would show you all the tables that were present in that sheet. So currently it is showing me my table. I can either choose to transform this data, which would open the Power BI Power Query editor for me, or I can directly choose to load this data. So I click on load option for now. This would load the data for me and it would show, you can see it is trying to create the connection over here. 14 rows have been loaded into this data set. Now I can click over here and I can rename this data set. So let's say I want to rename it as orders. Then all the columns that are present in my data set are reflecting over here. Now let's say that if I make some changes in my data set. So for example, let's say that I'll just click on cancel and let's say that I have removed few columns over here. So let's say I'm removing the product name and the product ID from this. Then this is automatically saved to drive. So let's go to the Power BI and over here you can see that I have still got the product name and the product ID over here. So let me click on the refresh data for now and see if it is trying to fetch the data from the Google Docs. So it is still showing me the product ID and product name. Let me select this product name and the sales which they have done. So you can see that no matter what I do, this is still trying to fetch the data from over there and it is not transforming it as per my need. So basically I remove these two columns from over here, but it is still showing me over there. So what I do is I'll go to the share option again. I'll go to publish to web option over here and I'll see this publish content settings. So I'll just select the sheet one and see that this automatically republish when changes are made option are tick. So let me go to the Power BI again, click on refresh. Okay. So you can see now it has found that these two columns are not found over there. So basically what I am trying to do is I am just trying to refresh this data, but these two are showing. The product name and product ID are still showing. So let me click over here and refresh this. Okay. It's not found. So this was how you can just bring your data set from the Google's Drive. Also, whatever changes you would be making over there would be reflecting over here. Thank you.